Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Makita against the DeWalt. Some wood, flags. We got the Makita 4 amp hour battery. This is the 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is a brushless motor. XWT14, 18 volts with the 4 amp hour battery, brushless. You got 4 modes here. You do got some screw modes there, a light, all kinds of controls. Really nice tool. This is the new atomic impact wrench. This is a 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is one of the newer ones. We do have 4 amp hour battery. We do have a speed selector there, 1, 2, and then a bolt mode, and then a lag mode there, and then we got a light mode. Lots of features on these. This is a brand new tool, just came out. We got a 19mm socket. Then we got a 4-inch lag. This will go right through here. Do one hole right here, and then another one just beside it. All right, let's start with the Makita. We're gonna do forward. So we're gonna do for speed 4. Alright, next then we have the DeWalt. Just beside it, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, yeah, you guys managed to see, even with pausing the DeWalt, I was able to complete the bolts. Now when we take them off, you guys are going to see the difference because I'm not going to be pausing or anything. You guys are going to be seeing the difference in between the power of these two tools. Like I said, the DeWalt is much newer than the Makita. So it's in. Let's take this off. Alright, so there you have it. Yeah, so they're pretty good, really nice. Yeah guys, let me know on the comment section, what do you guys think about this test or these tools? Would you buy any of these tools? I do apologize, like I said, for some of the footage. This is old footage I just had stored in the computer, so I just wanted to get it out there before I forget to edit this video. So anyways, this is a quick comparison for these two tools. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers their platform, by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.